Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am showing you how to learn the table of 2. So if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it. So let's start the video. So let's start. 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4, 2 3 the 6, 2 4 the 8, 2 5 the 10, 2 6 the 12, 2 7 the 14, 2 8 the 16, 2 9 the 18, and 2 10 the 20. Okay guys, so this was it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learn the table of 2 with my video, and I will make a video of the table of 3 and 4 and much more. And please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this with your friends, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye, see you next time.